Hi guys, I am Diedra Lawrence and welcome to another Lawrence String Academy beginner violin tutorial. Today we're going to continue strengthening the pinky on the left hand with a song called GDG. It will require us to come to the midpoint on the instrument so that your hand is kind of touching the box, and then you reach over and pivot that elbow until you get all the way to your G string. Pull it, pull the D string beside it, and then pull the G string once again. We'll do the same with our D string and A string, and then again with our A string and E string. All right, so here we go, G, D, G, and then we rest. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Rest. Now pivot to the D string. Rest. Rest. Pivot to the A string. Rest. Rest. Bravo. Yeah, very good. Very good. Now that's just step 1 in our exercise. There are actually dance steps involved, and so we're gonna cut, and I'm gonna see you guys in just a sec so we can learn the steps. All right guys, let's get ready to boogie. We're gonna do exactly the same thing we did, but instead of resting, we're going to lift this leg in the air and stomp it back down on the ground. This exercise doesn't just help you improve the strength in your fourth finger, it also helps you improve your balance at the instrument. Yes, up to playing position, middle of the box, pivot over the G string, and we're gonna pluck our notes and stomp. 1, 2, ready, go. And stomp. And stomp. Stomp. D string. And stomp. And stomp. And stomp. And stomp. And stomp. And final stomp. Bravo, guys! So awesome, guys. I love that you're showing up here doing your practicing and your exercises every day. You just keep at it, yeah? Because consistency is the key to excellence. I will see you at the next tutorial.